All right, everyone. So we have so far we're on task number 5 now. So now we've found the beginning of the genes. Now we need to find the ends of the genes. And so remember, when you found your genes, and hopefully you found 6 of them, and then if you labeled the start of those, that would be great. So that's a TAC is always the beginning of it. So that was kind of ugly there. So now we need to find the ends. Now the ends are a little bit tricky, and there are actually 3 different punctuations or 3 different terminators that can be on our genes. What I'm going to do to help you find them is I'm going to give you the sequence, the 3 triplets that actually end the gene. So for instance, I'm telling you here in gene number 5, the end is GAG, GAG, ACT. Now it might be enough just to look for the last 6, but these are the last 9 letters, the last 3 triplets. So I'm going to look along here and I'm looking for GAG. So if I just remember those first 3 letters, I'm looking for GAG. So I've got my finger here, I'm looking for GAG, 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 GAG. Holy cow. GAC. Close. GAG. There it is. GAG. Now I've got 3 GAGs in a row, but I'm looking for GAG, GAG, ACT. As it turns out, it's right next to the next gene. These butted up right next to each other. In all honesty, that usually wouldn't happen in a real gene, but they can be really close. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to put stop. That's the end of the gene. Okay, so that's the end of this gene. So that's gene number 5. So when you go through and you find your number 5, that's where it's going to be. Yours will look similar to this. So you will have the other sequences, and in fact, I've already found them for the other genes, and I'll post that on the next slide. And so you'll be looking for those, find it, mark stop, like underneath how I've done it. Remember I told you that we'd be writing some things underneath. All right, we are almost done with this gene, of actually finding this gene, of finding all the anatomy of this chromosome. All right, so go off to the next, finish this video, go off to the next slide, find those stops, label those stops, please. All right, good luck. Rewatch this if you need to.